This is exactly how I was able to fix Instagram story views not showing. So I had to close my Instagram app and instead I went to the settings app on my phone here, as you can see. And in here I scrolled down and I clicked on general and then I clicked on storage right here. And then now what I had to do is to wait for this one to load, as you can see. So we're just gonna wait for it to load. And now when it's done, just click on applications down below here, as you can see, and search for Instagram and click on the Instagram app. And now click on offload app and once again in here click on offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load now, so we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds and then click on the reinstall app button. So now what you're going to do is to just simply wait for your Instagram app to update to its latest version. So you probably know that Instagram, they in general release quite a lot of updates. And when they do so sometimes, and if you haven't gotten the new update, there might be like a lot of bugs on the update or on the version that you have right now. So update the app and try once again. This actually fixed it for me and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.